Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an AstroLux FT01. Comes in this box, and I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this, so let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Here's the user manual here. And we'll check out that chart there. So it looks like you have a high of 2215 lumens on turbo. That's a lot of light actually. Now if you need more time to look at those specs, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and keep moving on here. And it comes with a little bag of accessories here at the end. And it looks like it comes with an extra set of O-rings and a lanyard. We'll go ahead and take the lanyard out. I want to check out the size on this. A lot of these AstroLux, the lanyards have been really small. So again, this is really small. It literally can't even fit your hand through there, so it's going to be on the small side on this, and so you can at least get your fingers in here. Okay, so now I got that all stretched out. Like I said, it's going to be big enough to fit some fingers in there while you're holding the flashlight, but if you need something bigger, you're going to have to provide your own lanyard. And we'll go ahead and show you here. There's an extra set of O-rings and a button cover for the power switch, and we'll go ahead put this back in the bag. And let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now this version that I have here is the champagne color. Wow. Look at that. That's really nice style and design on this. Like the larger knurling style. It does have a little bit of grip to it. Not very much heat sinking on this. The button is almost flush but does stick out a little bit. Steel bezel on there. Power switch. And here's the charging port. It did not provide you a cord, but this machining and finish on this is excellent. Go ahead and put the lanyard on here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the textured reflector here. This is running the Cree XHP 50.2 LED. Really nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart and we'll show you the insides of the light here. Really nice. Heavy duty dual spring on that. well greased on the threads. We're going to go ahead and take the barrel off the head of the light here. A straight contact point on that head. And as far as batteries, you actually can run 3 types of sizes on this. Now I've tried them all, they all work fine. Now the particular cell that you can run are button top 21700 cells. Out all the cells here. As you can see, this is a 21700 cell, this is a 20700 cell, and an 18650. So you can kind of see the difference here in sizes. Now this adapter that it comes with will be required for the 18650 to make contact in there. But we're going to be using the 21700 cell, so we're not going to use that insert. And we're going to go ahead and put it in, and we're going to go through the user outputs. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, comes on the lowest setting, which is nice. And we're going to go through the light outputs here. Now once you get here on high, you can double click for turbo. Wow, a lot of light coming out of this. That is amazing. Now this is going to be more of a combination beam here, probably a little more on the floodier side, just by looking at the bleeding into the spill, but we'll take a look at that outside. A lot of light coming out of that. Now that we have it on turbo, you can press and hold to get strobe. And that is a really fast pace strobe, but it is constant speed. Then of course you can press and hold that again to get SOS. And we're going to press again and hold, will get you beacon. Then of course if you press and hold again, it'll go back to strobe. So now instead of pressing and hold, you're going to go ahead and click that one time. It does return back to the last light output that you had it on, which is nice. It does have memory mode. And then you can go back through the user outputs. Really simple and easy to use on this light. I like the style and design. Man, this is really nice. Alright, so let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness. Got some clear weather here. I'm going to take advantage of it. We have the AstroLux FT01. And we're going to go ahead and get started there. Really low. I have a visitor here and a fan. Thought he'd come visit me here. Alright, and we're going to go to the next level. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. So it's really good light output on that. 65 feet to that tree there. There it is on the fence. Much needed rain. We had a lot of fires in our area here, devastation here in California, so glad to get these fires and put out and breathing a lot better and able to get some more night shots done. Tree of Life there is 138 feet from where I'm standing, so we're going to go to the next level here. Alright. Faintly making it across the park, as you can see there. Tree line, fence line. And we'll do a beam profile on the higher output here. Making a tree of life with these there. And we're going to go to the next level here. Still has really come alive here. Making it across the park, as you can see there. Sorry about the wind. Beam profile here. Nice to have these higher output batteries in this. It's going to give you some really good run time. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go over here and do turbo. Let's see how it does. Look at that. That's great. Beam profile here. Sorry about the wind again, but this is really good weather for these flashlights. Keeps them cool so I can do longer run times. Now this is not a super thrower, but it is making 258 feet back there, 138 feet, 238 feet behind there to that other tree. So it's got some good range on it. Doing really good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and end this night shot here. Really liking this a lot. Alright. Banggood's having a really good, nice Black Friday on this sale. So, hope you can get this at a real nice price. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Outstanding performance on this light. Really nice combination beam, almost perfect. I'm really liking the fact that this has some decent throw as well. Really, my favorite beams are the combination, and then my second favorite would be flood, and then of course your dedicated throwers would be my third favorite. But this one here really does well. I'm really surprised with it. Build quality is excellent. Now I like the fact that this light with the adapter, of course, you can run the 18650, or you can also run the 21700 cell or this 20700 cell, which is really nice. I can't stress that enough. That's really nice because a lot of people may prefer to run, you know, the batteries they have offhand, or they'll want to buy the newer size cells. So my hat's off to AstroLux. It's a really nice little compact combination light as far as the beam is concerned. If you buy a really good quality cell on here, you're going to get some really good run times. I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, just look up right up on that screen right about there. And that'll help you save some money on this light, should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.